Hey Pink Squad, and welcome back to my channel. In case you are new to this video, which I don't know who in the world would click on this video, who would search this video, but still, welcome to my channel. So today I'm doing my big reveal. Oh my god guys, I'm super excited for this because this is a project that I've been working on. I can call it a project. I've been working since the day that I started on YouTube. First of all, disclaimer, this might be a little bit long, so get yourself comfortable because I want to give all the details and all the process and yeah, pretty much. So yeah, starting off, like I said, I've been on YouTube. If you've been following me for a while, since day one, also I've been on YouTube for a year and a half already. Next month it's gonna be a year and a half. And yeah, since I started YouTube, I started off with this company, and for me to reach out to a company, it's pretty hard. Being self-conscious of myself, it's a big thing for me, because for me to reach out to a company out like that, I have to be really sure. I know I have gotten a lot of comments on this company, like way back in the day. People will tell me, well, you need to reach out to the company, or why does the company doesn't sponsor you, or you should be an affiliate with the company. And it did happen for JB Eves. They reached out to me, they gave me my affiliate code and all that stuff, which has not even happened. But besides that, this is the first company I reached out to. This is the first company that I tried my hardest to get on their partnership side, or like the affiliates, or trying to get on PR, etc. So I'm out of breath. I'm just like, oh my god. So for people, it's gonna be like, ah, yeah, it's just that company, whatever. For me, it's not a company whatever, if people want to call it like that. It's not a big huge thing. It's not like, oh my god, I got inside Urban Decay or Anastasia, or you know, all these big old companies. No, it's not like that. But for me, it's a big thing because this company means a lot to me, a lot. And I know some of y'all would agree with me, because I have stand beside this company through thick and thin. And I'm gonna list all the videos that I had done on them in the description box below. And some of y'all, I posted on my IG and I posted on Snapchat, and I'll see your pop-up somewhere. People were trying to guess, and I think only 3 people, 2 messaged me. Display, 2 people messaged me and they guessed it, and then there's one comment, she guessed it, and I'm like, whoa, people just saw the freaking M on the email they sent me, and it's like, girl. And I had posted it on Snapchat and IG that I reached out to the company. I knew what the requirements were, and I reached out to customer service because once I hit that goal, I needed 2K. Honestly, I'm not gonna joke around with y'all. I told y'all in one video, and since I mentioned it in that video, my subscriber count grew and grew. I'm like, girl, once I hit 2K, it was 2,004 people. And I was sitting there at work. I was during lunchtime, and I was like, should I send out the email? Should I just wait? Should I just see? Should I just mention something? People are haters. Trust me, people will unsubscribe from your channel just for your subscriber down to go down once you be like, oh yeah, I hit 2K and blah blah blah, and people will start unsubscribing for you. I'm like, I'm not gonna do that. I'm gonna just say it whenever I know I have my goal done. And I hit my goal. I reached out to them. I was like, you know what, if it's for me, it's for me, and if they take me in, they take me in, no matter what. I actually hit 20K, 21K, I believe, in one video from them. Like, I'm shocked. That's mainly YouTube is paying me just for that video, literally. I'm like, wow. So okay, so I sent it out to customer service. I received my big vanity Full Body Vanity Mirror, and they text me back that same day talking about, oh, you had to reach out to our PR team. I was like, why? I have to wait during the weekend, and I have to, you know, just wait till the weekend because they only answer Monday through Friday from business hours. I was like, girl, it's Thursday. I sent it out Thursday. As soon as they left, I sent out my email. They reached out to me on Monday, be like, yeah, we're so grateful for you to reach out to us, and we'll love to for you to become a partner with us, and blah blah blah. So they're like, here's a code, here's for you to order your first PR box. So I was like, what? And I didn't even know that they were going to pay me for my own affiliate link, and I'm gonna get to that right now. So they send out a PR box to me. It's gonna arrive. It's barely shipped out 2 days ago or a day ago, I don't know. And the whole gist is that they have my own affiliate code. I am going to make 8% out of that code. So if you hit the link in the description box, I'll leave it in every single video after this, and this one also. If you hit that link, I will make a commission out of it. So yeah, that's why I posted it on my social media. I was like, girl, yeah, I'll do a big huge disclaimer because I know how some people are about affiliate codes and all that stuff. So yeah, it's gonna benefit me in some parts when I do their videos, and pretty much it's gonna benefit me to get some more income towards me. So there's not much people out there. I only know one girl, and she has 4K followers. I only know one girl. I don't know if that So Yin has an affiliate code with them, but I know one girl has it. Maybe that's So Yin, and it's like rare the people that are affiliates with them. It's rare. So can we just have a second so I can tell you? I mean, by this time you already know who I'm talking about. So I am an official affiliate with Shop Miss A. Yes, I'm an official affiliate. I'm an official partner with Shop Miss A. Okay. Yes, girl, I'm an official affiliate with Shop Miss A. Oh my god, my dream come true. My 2019 goals are, girl, they're coming down. It is a big thing for me to be an affiliate with Shop Miss A. Some of y'all gonna be like, girl, really, that's it? Girl, it is a big thing for me. Y'all know I work hard. I work so hard. I grew so much with this company. I've been to their stores. I've been through thick and thin. You already know what happened with my last Shop Miss A store in Arlington. I drove hours to go to their stores. I spent a lot of money on their store. I've been doing multiple orders on their store. You already know their AOA setting powder is my to-go every single day. I show y'all stacks and bulks of powder that I have bought for them. You already know their lashes are my to-go lashes. Like, Shop Miss A is the bomb, girl. I just feel like either people might talk shit about, oh, there's just dollar products, they're cheap products, you only have cheap products. Girl, I don't give a fuck. I mean, shit. My bad. I'm sorry. My ghetto side came out. So chill, girl. Yeah, I mean, Shop Miss A for me, it's the bomb. Shop Miss A has been there since day one. I've been doing so much multiple videos for them. For me, it's a huge thing. For me, what's a goal for me being there? If it wasn't for y'all, girl, I want to cry. If it wasn't for y'all, I would have not reached this part. We will have not reached this part, because remember, we are a family here. It's not only me doing videos for y'all. YouTube, like I said, YouTube is a big thing for me. It's not a passing time for me, like, oh, I'm gonna just do YouTube videos just to YouTube videos. Oh, I'm on YouTube just to make money. It's nothing like that. For me, it's a big thing. For me, it's a goal, because I'm going to grow with this company. This company is the first company that I applied to. This company is a company that took me in and be like, girl, we don't care you have 2K. That's the minimal you can have. You have 2K. Okay, come in. They are starting with me. They are growing with me, and you know, for me it's a big thing. I don't know how people are gonna react towards this. For me, it's a big goal. For me, it's something that I put myself through. I know it's just a big thing. I know people are just gonna be talking stuff about, oh, it's just $1, you know, $1 company and this and that. But for me, it's a lot. It's a lot because this is a company that did not reach out to me to be like, hey, do you want to be affiliate with us, or will you just give you the code just to get in customers and blah blah blah. No, I worked hard, that hard, to become an affiliate with them. I worked that hard doing videos, spending my money. I remember when people used to tell me, girl, you should reach out to them and become an affiliate with them. I didn't even have 1K videos, 1K followers when people were telling me to reach out to them. I was like, I know I cannot reach out to them. I know I have to wait. 1.5 years later, I'm here sitting down telling y'all that my dream come true thanks to y'all. I just wanted to cry that day that I received my email, and I'm like, I just want to cry right now. I'm just shook that they took me in and they just gave me my code the next day, and I feel they sent me my application. You had to fill out an application, responded me to the next day and be like, here you go, here's your discount code, here's your affiliate code, my bad. And yeah, just, you know, just waiting for my PR box. And there's gonna be another video. Let me know in the comments below if you really want to see this video. It is how YouTube changed my life. I want to do like a little story time or a little get ready with me, or just like a little documentary type of thing, because Nikki Tutorials posted on her channel about how she used to do her makeup and then her makeup now. So it came up to my mind because in this PR box there's some stuff that you're gonna be like, wow, I did not think you were gonna get that. And there's something in there that people always tell me, you don't wear this, you don't wear this, like really, you don't wear it, like we don't ever see you with that. So if y'all have not seen my get ready with me, I told y'all that a lot of things are going to change next month or by the end of next month. So the stuff that is in the PR box is nothing that I usually get. So let me know if y'all really want to see that video. I'm trying to work on that video this weekend, but I don't know how people are going to react towards it, if people are going to watch it or anything like that. But I really want to do that video because if you see my videos from before, and it's funny that my Shop Miss A videos, like my old Shop Miss A videos, get views from the videos that are post recently. And if you see those videos, like girl, I cringe when I see those videos. I'll be like, girl, what was wrong with me? Like literally, what was wrong with me? I was just so like nothing. Like I was just a happy girl getting makeup, and I just see my videos behind and I see my videos now, and I'm just like, I just can't believe this day came. I just can't believe my dream come true. And girl, I really want to cry. It's just something amazing for me. It's just something that I'm so proud of, and I just want to thank every single one of y'all and let y'all know. I want to do the big reveal in my unboxing, but I know people are gonna be like, they're gonna be new and they're not gonna know me, and they're gonna be like, well, what the fuck is going on? So I want to do this video separately for y'all, because it means a lot to me for y'all to know, and to thank every single one of y'all that supported me to this day and believed in me and pushed me to make my dream come true. Because I know a lot of y'all stood by me when my old videos, when I had my bad lighting when I had my little beauty room, my closet beauty room, and my lighting was bad. My English was worse. Like, girl, yeah, I see that video, I'm like, and I was so ratchet without makeup, and I look at myself like, girl, you changed a lot. You changed a lot in this year, and y'all stood by me. It's just amazing having such, I consider y'all as YouTube friends or friends, so it's amazing to have people, friends, followers like y'all that support me to this day, and I really want to thank y'all so much. It just means a lot to me. And yeah, that's the big news. I'm an official partner affiliate with Shop Miss A, and I still can't believe it. I literally want to cry. I just like, hold it in, Yanni, hold it in, just a few more minutes. But yeah, guys, that is pretty much it. I want to just come on here and do this quick video for y'all, let y'all know. I'll go ahead and leave my link in the description box below. Every single video will have my link. Be on the lookout for the next week or two for my unboxing. It's just gonna be like a surprise unboxing. I'm not even gonna tell y'all. So yeah, that's pretty much, and thank you so much to everyone once again, and I'll see y'all on the next 2 videos that I will be recording tomorrow, Friday, and Saturday, and maybe Sunday. So be on the lookout for that. So yeah.